talking about the new application called your phone. Your phone. You see it? Your phone. When you click it, it will link it to your Android Android phone here. You will see my pixel there. And if you take a picture from the phone, you'll be able to view like this. And you don't need to download anything. You can see everything is right in front of you. And if you have notification from your Android, it will show you. So this is a new application from Microsoft, and I think Microsoft wants to get a pie from Android. They're moving quite a lot. Right now you can run application like this one, Color Note. You can run it in Android. It's also working with Windows 10 as well too, as long as you have Windows 10. So to do, I can click here and I can see what I did in my Android, everything in here. So similar to another application like this application we call it to-do list, and you can set it up exactly to an Android, and you will see into your Windows 10. It's a very convenient way to do things. You don't have to download, upload, everything is just sharing. Even though you can make a call to your phone from the PC as well too. So right now I just want to share application that running Android and Windows 10. So you just follow the procedure. When you click the phone, you go to Microsoft Store, and you're looking for your phone application. You can install this one in if you don't have it. You install it, and when you run it, and it will tell you that send notification to your phone. You follow that, and you get them linked together. So I hope it helps. So if you like this, please subscribe and come up for this. Thank you very much.